With Amber Engine's next-gen PIM, you supercharge your ability to win in digital commerce. In this video, learn how to use the bulk upload template to transform your assets in a click. So what we're going to show today is a bulk upload template for a bunch of products we're sending off to Wayfair. Now, we've already populated a lot of the information. What we're going to focus on now is getting the images out to Wayfair. So Wayfair is calling our hero shot main image. And so we are going to, for all of these items, because in Amber Engine PIM, you're able to store unlimited images, assets, videos, etc. We're going to pull from the image that is assigned to the image one attribute. And now what we're going to do, because again, Wayfair has very specific requirements for how they want to receive these images, we're going to be able to assign the following transformation rules so that when this sheet is given to Wayfair, whoever the receiving party is, and they click on the URL to see the image is going to have the following transformation rules assigned to it. So it's going to be a PNG in 400 by 400, and you're able to actually assign naming conventions. So in this example, we have WF for Wayfair, and then we're also able to pull the SKU attribute from each item. And you get a nice little call out preview of what this is going to look like so that you can make sure that it's accurate and in alignment with what the channel requires.